LOL. So I got a LEVOIT LV-H134 Tower Pro HEPA air purifier, and I didn't see any good reviews when I was looking for one on this, so I thought I'd do one to show you how it's working for me. I've had it for like a month now, so I could show you the basics of what I'm doing. This is what it comes with. It comes inside this box. I'll put all the links in the descriptions if you want to check it out on what I got here. And it comes with the manual and some other paperwork inside of here to show you how the filter goes in, which is really easy. I'll show you how that works. Basically, you pull the back out, you got to take the plastic off, and you insert it in. And it's not a really super big unit, but it's not small either. It's like a medium-sized unit, I guess you could say. And this is it right here. And on the back is where the filter goes. So let me show you that, where this HEPA Pro air filter goes. It's pretty easy to pop off. You just snap it out. And here's the filter right here. And that's about a month's worth of use, so it's not real dirty, I wouldn't say. It's supposed to be rated to last like 3 to 4 months. At least that's what it said on Amazon where I bought it. But you know, I guess it would depend on how dirty the air is, on how often you have to swap these out. I'll put links on down in the description for this too. But it's pretty easy to swap in there. You just slide it in, and then you just snap this back on. That'll come inside of a big plastic bag. You have to put it in before you start it. And here's the top. Here's the controls. It makes a little ding sound when you first power it on. And it has some nice little controls here. I mean, the display is pretty nice actually. I like it. But I was running it when I first got it. I was running on auto, and when you run it on auto, this is like how many allergens or whatever is in the air. It'll, you know, sometimes it'll be higher or lower, or how many it's purifying at the time. And that worked well, but I started using it on different fan modes. It's got different fans. It's got low, medium, and high, and different volumes. And I've been running on low or medium, and I'll walk through them so that you can see how it sounds when you use the fan on the different modes. Okay, so this will be the lowest one. It's not very noisy on the lowest one, but I'll give it 5 seconds so you can try to hear how it sounds. So hope you can kind of hear that. Maybe not. It's pretty quiet on lowest setting. I'm gonna go to second setting. You'll hear a little bit more. So that's the medium setting. And now I'm going to go to high, which it is a little noisy on the high, a little louder. And you put it on high, it really starts cycling the air really well. This is rated to do up to 710 square feet of space, which is quite a bit. So if you put it on high, I mean, it'll really start pulling the toxins and allergens out of the air pretty nicely. But depending on your sleep mode, I mean, if you want to sleep with it low, you could barely hear it. I can put it on medium and sleep with it. High is kind of obviously like for really extreme toxins in the air or allergens. And so the next button up here is the auto button, and then you have a sleep button. You have a display button, so in case the display is bothering you when you're sleeping or not, you can click it, it'll go off. It doesn't bother me, but if it bothers you, obviously it's easy to turn off. There's a little symbol for a filter, which I assume comes on when it gets dirty. It's time to replace. And I'll put the links in the description for that too, if you need to check that or replace it. And it has a timer over here. So those are the basic control options on it. And my overall view of it is that it works pretty well for me. I don't have like really bad allergies or anything, but sometimes during certain times of the year I'll start sneezing more or something. And I do run a better air filter inside the HVAC system, but it doesn't seem to be enough sometimes. So if I'm sneezing too much, I'll kick this on or I'll sleep with it, and it definitely, I believe it helps. I read some other comments where people who lived with smokers had this set up and was sucking out all the smoke in the air, which I don't know, I haven't tested that out with. But that's the basic overview of it. And it's called the LEVOIT LV-H134. And if you want to check it out or read the reviews on Amazon or something, I'll put the links in the description. And that's basically it.